Hello. My sister helped me out and sent me little beginner packets of miniature junk journals, and they are approximately 6 by 5 of fabric soft cover. There's the outside and the inside little fabric piece. They'll be smaller than the 6 by 5, obviously, depending on what you do with the outside. So there is a little packet here of lace and pins and a little thread helper and paper clips. And there's thread in there to sew in the signatures, which there are 3 signatures, all approximately the same, or the same amount. There's 10 pages, or 5 pages folded in half to make 10. So you end up with 30 pages here. And I threw in some stuff. I made this a while back. A little envelope. And I put some punches in here for fun. There's a tag. There's a little negative punch. And a couple cards. The Uno card deck. And then I have also put in this Forever Flawless. It can be a corner cut. And this was just for fun. It was fussy cutted from a book. And a little Garfield, you know, those small ones that are on backs of calendars. And this one, I put in a couple pretty, where's the other one? Oh, a couple pretty pages from magazines. A bird card. I made this a while back also. And it can be an envelope or use it like it is. And there's a flower picture out of a magazine. And this little card from a magazine. 2 cut punches from music page. A game card. I don't know if that's trivia. Probably trivia. And then the Monopoly card. And the Monopoly money. Yes. Yep. So thank you for watching. I hope you will share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.